मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल ऑफ यू जो लोग इस वक्त ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि आप और मैं साथ मिलके अभी कुछ ही मिनटों में डेंटल की एक ऐसी फील्ड के बारे में डिटेल में जानने वाले हैं जिसके बारे में हम लोग को जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है। और आपको ये जान के बहुत प्राउड महसूस होगा कि इस डेंटल फील्ड के डेवलपमेंट में हमारा यानी कि यूपी का, उत्तर प्रदेश का बहुत ज़्यादा योगदान रहा है। और इस वीडियो में आपको यूपी के कई नामी और दिग्गज डॉक्टरों से भी रूबरू होने का मौका मिलेगा। तो चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट द यूपी चैप्टर ऑफ इंटरनेशनल ओरल एंड मैक्सिलोफेशियल सर्जन्स डे।
उत्तर प्रदेश, यहाँ का हर शहर सिर्फ एक शहर नहीं बल्कि एक अलग महफिल है। और इस महफिल में आपको दाखिल होने के लिए किसी और चीज की जरूरत नहीं, सिर्फ एक मीठी सी मुस्कुराहट की जरूरत है। तो मुस्कुराइए कि आप उत्तर प्रदेश में हैं।
February 13 is celebrated as the International Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons Day. So let's begin with the message of our Honorable President of the UP chapter of Association of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons of India, Professor Dr. Gaurav Singh, who is not only the head of the Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery, but is also the principal of Sardar Patel Postgraduate Institute of Dental and Medical Sciences.
I, Dr. Gaurav Singh, Principal and Head, Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery at Sardar Patel Postgraduate Institute of Dental and Medical Sciences, Lucknow. Also President, Association of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons of India, UP chapter, extends my heartfelt greetings and best wishes this 13th Feb 2021 when the entire world is trying to combat COVID-19. International Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery Day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Meenu Sorabji Jinwala, the first oral surgeon in India. This day celebrates the contribution of oral and maxillofacial surgeons who are trained and certified to treat wide spectrum of diseases, injuries, defects in head, neck, face, jaw, and the hard and soft tissues of oral and maxillofacial region.
The history of oral surgery begins from 500 BC to 300 BC. During this time, Hippocrates and Aristotle wrote about extracting teeth and using wire to support loose teeth and fractured jaws. The Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery is an integral part of the dental faculty, which was started in the state of Uttar Pradesh in 1967 in KGMC, now KGMU. This department is more than 50 years old, involved in teaching and training of oral and maxillofacial education. It all started under the guidance and hard work of the living legend Dr. R. Pradhan, who headed the Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery KGMU in late 1960s.
It is heartening to note that from minor oral surgery done under local anesthesia to the growth during some last 40 years that today we can boast of the most advanced surgeries performed in modular OTs with state-of-the-art equipment and infrastructure.
ओरल एंड मैक्सिलोफेशियल सर्जरी एज ए स्पेशलिटी की सफलता का श्रेय कई दिग्गजों को जाता है, जिन्होंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में हमारे देश को कई बेहतरीन ओरल एंड मैक्सिलोफेशियल सर्जन्स दिए। तो चलिए मिलते हैं ऐसे ही कुछ दिग्गजों से।
About half a century back, when I started on the path of oral surgery, it was a narrow lane. Slowly, I reached a wider road, and ultimately, now we are on the highway.
For exceptional and distinguished service in the field of oral and maxillofacial surgery, Dr. Shadab Mohammed, ex-dean and presently head of department KGMU, was awarded with the honor of Padma Shri.
Earlier, a maxillofacial surgeon was limited to only pulling out the difficult tooth or a backward tooth, but now, with the latest advancement and their training in the various fields of maxillofacial surgery, they are well versed doing craniofacial surgeries, cleft lip palate surgeries, skull-based surgeries, and orthodontic surgeries, facial deformities, different fields.
सो नाउ डॉक्टर दिव्या मेहरोत्रा हम सब के साथ कुछ मेमोरीज शेयर करना चाहती हैं, जिससे हम लोग को पता लगेगा कि कैसे ओरल एंड मैक्सिलोफेशियल सर्जरी विद टाइम इवॉल्व हुई। सो लेट्स फील हर नॉस्टैल्जिया।
Happy International Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons Day to everyone. We have been lucky to see a tremendous change in the way we practice maxillofacial. I still remember the day how we used to go to the photographer to get our patients' photographs done, superimposed on the cephalograms for orthodontic planning during my PT days. And then we started doing it on Adobe Photoshop. And today we do everything on virtual platforms through simulations, navigation guided surgeries, and robotics. The digital era has changed the way we visualize the anatomy in virtual or augmented reality.
Association of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons of India, AOMSI, जानते हैं इसकी स्थापना कैसे हुई? चलिए खुद प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर KN दुबे की जुबानी सुनते हैं।
The AOSI was officially affiliated to the International Association during the Sydney Conference in 1977. The AOSI was renamed as Association of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons of India in 1985. The AOMSI is a registered organization and admits qualified oral and maxillofacial surgeons as life or annual members.
तो चलिए अब कुछ पॉइंट्स देख लेते हैं, जिससे हम लोग को पता चलेगा कि ओरल एंड मैक्सिलोफेशियल सर्जरी का पास्ट कैसा था, प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो क्या है और फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट्स क्या है।
In 1210, a guild of barbers was created in France. These barbers were split into two groups: surgeons for more complex operations and surgeons who carried out simpler procedures. There were no certified dental surgeons. Sterilization protocols were compromised. Risk of infection was high. Anesthesia were less efficient. Surgeries were rather painful. In 1840, the American Society of Dental Surgeons was founded.
We started off with single-digit admissions in oral surgery in UP a long time back, and now we have about 100 postgraduate seats in Uttar Pradesh, all of them training students in all fields of oral and maxillofacial surgeries.
Trained oral and maxillofacial surgeons are present today. Sophisticated operating protocols, armamentarium, long-lasting anesthesias with standard sterilization protocols have reduced the risk of post-operative complications.
Our teachers and seniors have struggled a lot and they have strived hard for this specialty which was then known as oral surgery. Today, one can pursue his super specialty in MCH craniomaxillofacial surgery. We definitely have come a long way and we know that we have a long way to go.
The scope of oral and maxillofacial surgery, trust me, is ever increasing. The horizons are expanding and the future generations have a bright future in oral and maxillofacial surgery. The only problem is that most people do not know we exist. Even if they know that we do exist, they know us as dental surgeons. And many don't even know about the wide range of complex craniofacial surgeries we perform. So it's us who have to take the onus and educate people about the services as an oral and maxillofacial surgeon.
With the rapid development of science and technology, oral and maxillofacial reconstructive surgery has kept pace with the time to bring a prosperous future.
Gone are those days where we would harvest or we would need to harvest eyelid crest grafts or rift grafts or fibula grafts to fill in the small segmental defects of the mandible.
Those who do not remember the past are condemned to relive it.
On the behalf of Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery,
wishing you a very happy
International Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons Day.
In the present era of evidence-based research, I would like to invite all members, especially my young budding maxillofacial surgeons, to do hard work to achieve your goals. Once again, wish you all a very happy International Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons Day. Bye-bye.
सो आई होप आप लोग को ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा, जैसे कि मुझे सीखने को मिला। सो दिस टाइम लेट्स सेलिब्रेट इंटरनेशनल ओरल एंड मैक्सिलोफेशियल सर्जन्स डे लाइक अ फेस्टिवल बाय स्प्रेडिंग अवेयरनेस। सो लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो टू द मैक्सिमम। थैंक यू।